3 best and worst blueberries combinations for vision repair. Your eyes might be in danger, and blueberries could be part of the problem. Yes, blueberries. The very fruit you thought was helping your vision may silently be accelerating damage, especially after age 60. Here's what no one tells you. It's not just what you eat. It's how you combine it. And when it comes to blueberries, the wrong pairing can block vision repair nutrients, inflame your optic nerve, and even increase the risk of macular degeneration. Harvard Medical School and the National Eye Institute warn that poor nutrition combinations, particularly in older adults, can worsen eye conditions, even when eating healthy foods. If you're over 60 and serious about protecting your eyesight, you need to know this now. Let's start with what's at stake if you ignore it. Macular degeneration. It's the #1 cause of blindness in Americans over 60. What begins as blurred vision or trouble reading slowly turns into central vision loss. You won't be able to see faces clearly. You won't be able to drive safely. You might need help with daily tasks. And by the time you notice it, 70% of your retinal cells may already be damaged. Here's the frightening part. Certain food combinations can increase the speed of that damage, without pain, without warning. Now here's the surprising truth. Blueberries, on their own, are powerful. They contain anthocyanins, antioxidants that reduce inflammation in eye tissues and protect blood vessels in the retina. But when combined with the wrong foods, these benefits are canceled. Or worse, reversed. Let's begin with the first dangerous combination. Worst combo 1. Blueberries plus low-fat yogurt. This is the go-to health snack for many seniors, but it's a hidden trap. Low-fat yogurt lacks vitamin A, vitamin K2, and healthy fat. These are needed to absorb anthocyanins properly. Without fat, the antioxidant compounds in blueberries pass right through your system, unused. Even worse, the low-fat version often contains artificial sweeteners that spike insulin and increase inflammation. Result: nutrient waste, increased retinal inflammation, and zero vision protection. Fix: choose full-fat Greek yogurt. It provides the healthy fat needed to absorb blueberry antioxidants. Add a few chia seeds for extra omega-3s, which support retinal lining. Worst combo 2, blueberries plus whole wheat toast. Sounds healthy, but it sets up a metabolic problem. Whole wheat is rich in phytic acid. This compound binds with zinc, calcium, and magnesium, minerals essential for eye repair. Meanwhile, blueberries contain tannins that further block mineral absorption. Together, they become a perfect storm that blocks the very nutrients your eyes need. Fix: instead of toast, combine blueberries with pasture-raised eggs. The yolks provide lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin A. These pigments directly feed the macula and reduce risk of degeneration. Worst combo 3. Blueberries plus smoothies with citrus. You might think your morning smoothie is a vision booster. But citrus fruits like oranges and pineapples are acidic and vitamin C rich. While vitamin C is good in moderation, the acidity breaks down anthocyanins when blended with blueberries. Also, many smoothies lack fat or are loaded with banana and honey, which spike blood sugar. High glucose thickens eye blood vessels, worsening diabetic retinopathy and macular thinning. Fix: use avocado or a spoon of nut butter instead of banana. Add spinach or kale for plant-based lutein. Use almond milk with no added sugar. And limit citrus to separate meals. Now, let's move to the best combinations for vision repair. These combinations work with your biology. Best combo 1. Blueberries plus omega-3s plus vitamin A. One of the most powerful vision-supporting meals for seniors is incredibly simple. A small bowl of blueberries, 1 boiled egg, and a handful of walnuts. This trio targets the exact biological weaknesses that threaten your eyes after age 60. Here's how it works. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect the tiny blood vessels in your retina. These compounds help combat oxidative stress, a major contributor to macular degeneration and diabetic retinopathy. Egg yolks are a natural source of vitamin A and lutein, two critical nutrients for eye health. Vitamin A protects the surface of the eye and supports tear production, while lutein concentrates in the macula and absorbs harmful blue light. Together, they help preserve sharp central vision and reduce glare sensitivity. Walnuts deliver plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, specifically ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, which support the optic nerve and maintain healthy eye pressure. Omega-3s have also been shown to improve tear stability, reducing dry eye symptoms common in older adults. According to the NIH-backed AREDS 2, Age-Related Eye Disease Study 2, a diet rich in these nutrients can slow the progression of age-related macular degeneration by up to 25%. Seniors with early vision loss who adopted these nutrient combinations showed better visual clarity, improved night vision, and reduced reliance on eye drops or glasses over time. For best results, consume this combo in the morning or early afternoon when nutrient absorption and blood flow to the retina are optimal. Avoid pairing it with coffee or tea, which may block absorption of antioxidants. This one small strategic meal delivers the anti-inflammatory, nerve-protective, and macular repair nutrients your aging eyes desperately need, without any pills or prescriptions. Best combo 2. Blueberries, plus spinach, plus olive oil. This simple, nutrient-packed trio, blueberries, spinach, and olive oil, forms one of the most effective natural defenses against age-related vision loss. Each ingredient plays a specific role in repairing and protecting the delicate tissues of your eyes, especially after age 60. Spinach is rich in two critical carotenoids, lutein and zeaxanthin. These pigments concentrate in the macula, the central part of the retina responsible for sharp vision. They act like internal sunglasses, filtering harmful blue light and reducing glare sensitivity. But here's what most people miss. Lutein and zeaxanthin are fat-soluble. Without fat, your body absorbs only a small fraction of them. That's where olive oil comes in. Just 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil added to your spinach dramatically increases the absorption of these protective compounds. Olive oil also contains heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and polyphenols that reduce inflammation in blood vessels, including those feeding the eyes. Now, top this base with a handful of blueberries. Their anthocyanins not only reduce oxidative stress, but also strengthen the tiny capillaries in the retina, improving blood flow and oxygen delivery. This is vital for seniors, as poor circulation is a key factor in conditions like macular degeneration and diabetic retinopathy. For an extra boost, add a pinch of turmeric. NIH-backed studies show that curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, helps reduce oxidative damage and inflammation in eye tissue, slowing the progression of retinal diseases. Taken together, this trio becomes a potent, anti-inflammatory eye health salad. It nourishes every layer of the retina, supports visual clarity, and protects against age-related decline. Make this combo part of your regular lunch or dinner. It's a delicious, prescription-free way to feed your eyes exactly what they need to stay strong, sharp, and resilient. Best combo 3. Blueberries, plus bone broth, plus collagen. This vision-supporting combo surprises most people, but it's backed by emerging science. Blueberries, when combined with bone broth and collagen, can help repair and strengthen the very structure that supports your eyesight. Bone broth is rich in glycine and collagen. These aren't just for skin or joints. They play a crucial role in maintaining the extracellular matrix surrounding the eye, especially the retina. The retina depends on a dense network of microscopic blood vessels to deliver oxygen and nutrients. As you age, these vessels weaken, thin, or become inflamed, leading to poor circulation, dry eyes, and eventually vision loss. Collagen provides structural support to these fragile capillaries. Glycine reduces inflammation and supports tissue regeneration. But when you add blueberries, it amplifies the effect. Their anthocyanins are powerful antioxidants that protect these vessels from oxidative damage and enhance capillary strength. Together, these three ingredients create a biological repair team. Collagen strengthens vessel walls. Glycine heals the surrounding tissue. Blueberries protect from further damage. Why timing matters. Always eat blueberries earlier in the day, ideally in the morning or early afternoon. That's when your digestion is strongest and blood flow to your eyes is more active. Late-night blueberry intake is less effective, as circulation to the retina slows down during sleep, reducing nutrient delivery. Avoid pairing blueberries with caffeine. Mayo Clinic research shows caffeine can constrict blood flow in the eyes, limiting how much of these healing nutrients actually reach your macula. For a nourishing, vision-protective meal, try a small bowl of warm bone broth with added collagen peptides, followed by a side of fresh blueberries. This combination may help slow the progression of retinal thinning, support vessel repair, and improve overall visual resilience without relying on medications or eye drops. Hidden doctor truth. Many ophthalmologists never ask about your diet. But according to NIH and Harvard Health, nutrient absorption from food plays a larger role in vision repair than most prescriptions. What you eat with blueberries determines whether they act as medicine or do nothing at all. So if you've been trying to protect your vision but still notice dryness, blurred vision, or trouble with contrast, look at your food combinations first. You might be canceling out the benefits without even realizing it. Final reminder. To repair vision after 60, you need the right antioxidants, the right fat for absorption, the right minerals for macular repair. Blueberries only help if your meal delivers all three. Avoid low-fat, high-carb, or overly acidic combinations. Favor whole foods, healthy fats, and eye-targeted nutrients. Because one wrong combination could quietly speed up vision loss, and one right combination could save your sight.